Today, y'all, my friend Katie Joel is gonna be joining me in the kitchen. She's gonna help me make some delicious recipes for the sweetest brown sugar bacon you'll ever put in your mouth. You can teach an old dog new tricks. This is my precious friend Katie Joel, y'all. And we are doing Ladies Who Brunch today in the kitchen. Katie is going to share with us a couple of recipes.
You know what? Why don't you get started on that brown sugar bacon?
Oh, God.
Doesn't that sound good?
I adore brown sugar bacon.
I love it. So you want to get a plastic freezer bag. Add about a half cup of brown sugar.
Okay.
And a tablespoon of Dijon. Doesn't have to be exact. And then just put that bacon in there and shake it up. And then onto the foil-lined baking sheet.
And I can be rough on mine.
Yeah.
Okie dokie. Katie, does that look?
It looks beautiful.
To suit you?
Looks beautiful. I love to do this when I have house guests, and people are really impressed. You saw how easy this was.
So easy.
Okay.
And this brown sugar bacon is gonna be so delicious.
And this is going in the other oven at 400 for 20 minutes.
Perfect. All right. 400 in the other oven for the brown sugar bacon, about 20 minutes. So that'll be up just a little before our pancake. This girl's brunching is just over the top. Oh, and you know what? I've got the bacon.
Oh, get that bacon out of there.
Great time of day. Oh.
Now look at that.
Look at the bacon.
I don't know which one I want to eat first.
I think I'll have one in each hand.
Double fist.
Yes. Woo. I may have to let that go. Is it? Oh, and I got to get me a nut.
I guess that's a good sound.
Oh my goodness.
The butter was a good addition.
I will never make brown sugar bacon without Dijon mustard ever again.
It makes it, doesn't it?
You can teach an old dog new tricks. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.